So we just added 10 mils of the FBS to the bottle of media, which we extracted 12 mils from. So remember, 10% of the original volume is filled up by the FBS. The next thing we add is 5 mils of non-essential amino acids. The 5 mils in this case constitutes 1% of the original volume. So since we start with 100 mils, 1% of the 100 mils is 1 mil. So we're going to add 1 mil of the non-essential amino acids back into this. So we're going to simulate, make sure you put the tips on the pipettes, extract 1 mil, put it in here, then discard your tip. Don't do what I'm doing, don't put it back in the container. Just always discard tips. And the final thing you do is we take our antibiotic, antimycotic, which should be thawed, but we don't have hot water baths, we just thaw it. And what you're going to do is you're also going to do the same thing. You're going to take 1% of the original volume of the media and constitute that as antibiotic, antimycrotic, biotic. And so that's 1%, so that's 1 mil in this case, so the 100 mils. Put that in. If you have a 500 mil bottle of media, you would take out 12%, so that's 60 mils of the media, set it aside in the conical tube, put 50 mils of FBS, and 5 mils of this, and 5 mils of this. And what you're going to do now is we're going to pretend that we've added everything back to our bottle. This bottle would have media, FBS, antibiotic, antimycotic, and non-essential amino acids, and you want to shake it thoroughly. And the way you tell if there's FBS in here is if you see these foam bubbles. An unopened bottle of media will not contain these foam bubbles. This is how you know that you've done it correctly, that you have FBS in here. And the last thing, if this is completely optional, if you are working with dexamethasone, if you're giving dexamethasone to the cells, some people may wish to put 10 microliters of dexamethasone in here. You don't have to, but you can. Thanks for watching. This was the Piggery School Independent Research Team Prostate Metastasis Group showing you how to create a bottle of media, specifically RPMI media, for use for mammalian cell culture.